Y'all know what it is, man. I just got a package from TPOB. We got the Deluxe X clipper and trimmer. Let's go ahead and open up the trimmer first. So as we open up the box, we can see we get a pamphlet that we ain't never gonna look at. We get a box of accessories, a charging dock, and here is the trimmer. Check that out. We got that crazy blade on there. Trimmer looks nice overall. And then here is the charging dock, nice white and black charging dock. And then the box of accessories comes with the charging brick and the charging cord. Here is the TPOB X clipper. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Once again, we get that manual that we ain't gonna look at, so we chunk that to the side. We get the clipper, a box of accessories, and the charging dock. So check out the clipper, man. Here it is, the TPOB X Deluxe Edition. As you can see, we got the XO blade on there. Ergonomically, it looks nice. Here is the charging dock, same as the trimmer, just a little bigger. And here is the box of accessories. It does come with another box in there that has the grips for the clipper and the trimmer. We get some guards, and then we also get the charging brick and the charging cord and a little bit of other stuff. But check it out, man, the TPOB Deluxe X clipper and trimmer. Y'all know what it is, man. Let's go.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys, so this video, we're gonna be talking about the TPOB X, what's it called? The X Clipper Deluxe, and then the TPOB X Trimmer Deluxe. As y'all saw earlier in the video, I did a quick unboxing. I'm gonna open the box up again and just run y'all through what's in the box, but this really ain't gonna be an unboxing. I'm just gonna be talking a little bit about the clipper. So check it out, man. Here is the box for the TPOB X Clipper. High torque digital brushless, 7,200 RPM motor, all metal body with an ergonomic and balanced design offering low noise level in our quietest performance yet. It has 8 slime guards. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I ain't used the slime guards. I used my regular guards that I've been using just cause, you know, I got my system in place, so I don't like switching that up too much. A 3.5-hour runtime, the XO graphene fusion blade with a deep tooth cutting blade, X Deluxe version now with the rubber grip, so it does got a rubber grip. It's got basically for improved ergonomics, but check it out, that is the clipper, and we're gonna take that out in a second, but here is the TPOB X Trimmer Deluxe, or Deluxe Trimmer. I don't know how to say it, but however you say it, that's what it is. But the trimmer is a high torque brushless motor which runs at 7,200 RPMs, all all metal body with an ergonomic and balanced design offering low noise and our quietest performance yet. 4 hours of runtime on the trimmer, deep graphene crazy blade with R-angle cutting blade for precision and crunch. And I will say something about this trimmer. It does got a crunch to it, you know what I'm saying? A nice crunch. The X Deluxe version, once again, now with rubber grip for improved ergonomics. So as y'all can see, we got the clipper and the trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and take the trimmer out of the box for y'all first. So as y'all can see, this is how it looks inside of the box. Y'all check that out. But let's go ahead and get this trimmer out of here. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all so y'all can hear it. Check that out, man. Super quiet trimmer. I ain't gonna lie, man, it feels actually really comfortable in the hand. I'm liking the rubber grip on it, and even though it is just in the front, that's perfectly fine because that's all you really need it for when you're, when you're working it. You can put your thumb here. It's got a thumb indentation right here, and then when you're using it this way, it still feels comfortable in the hand because your front fingers are on this rubber grip, so it's not gonna slip whether you're using gloves or not. It's really comfortable in hand. It does have a crazy blade. I don't know if y'all can see the blade. I don't know if it's trying to focus on my face, but hopefully y'all can see the blade. We got that crazy blade on there. And I will say, like I said earlier, guys, this crazy blade, it's got a super, super nice crunch to it. Like you can literally hear every hair that's being cut when you're using this crazy blade with the, the deep 2.0 cutting blade. But check it out once again. We're gonna turn this on for y'all. As you can see, we have the charging dock down here, or I'm sorry, not the dock, but the charging port down here. On and off switch is on the side. We have the TPOB branding right here in white with the X. Once again, the X Trimmer Deluxe with the crazy blade right here. We got that, but let's see, what else comes in the box real quick. We're gonna take out this little accessory thing, and like I showed y'all earlier, it comes with the charging brick, and then you also get the USB. You get an extra cam follower in there, and a brush and a screwdriver. But let's go ahead and put that back in the box. Once again, this ain't really an unboxing. I kind of already showed y'all the unboxing earlier, but it does come with a charging stand. For y'all who like charging stands, I personally, myself, I do enjoy having a nice charging stand. So it's a nice looking charging stand, matches the trimmer white and black. Check that out. We have the port back here that you just plug in the charger right here. And obviously you're gonna put the clipper in right there, and it's gonna charge the trimmer. Now let's go ahead and move on to the clipper.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
So check it out. This is how it looks inside of the box. Once again, showed y'all earlier in the video, but y'all just check that out real quick. Let's go ahead and get the clipper out of here. Now, I can't turn the clipper on because I've been using it. But you know what? Let me, I should have put it to charge real quick. But like I was saying earlier, guys, it is an all metal body. We do got the click lever, 5 clicks on there. We got the rubber grip in the front. We got a thumb groove right here, as y'all can see. So when you're holding the clipper, it does fit comfortably in hand. Make sure y'all can see that. It does fit comfortably in hand. We do have some grooves back here to place your finger on. Now, I've said this in a previous video about the TPOB X and XO clipper. They're not my favorite ergonomic-wise. They are a little bulkier than what I like, but that doesn't mean that they're bad. That just means my preference. I don't really like the bulkier clippers, right? Like, there's nothing wrong with them. They just feel a little weird in my hand, but once again, guys, once you get used to it, it's not a big deal. I just wanted to state that because, you know, I've been using smaller clippers. And then I have been using the TPOB play, and the play is actually thinner than this. So the transition period may feel a little confusing, or, you know, you just may not feel as comfortable in your hand. But once you get used to it, I think you'll really enjoy using the clipper because overall the weight distribution is great on it. It actually does feel good in the hand when you're holding it. The clicks on here are nice clicks, really liking those clicks on there. And as you can see, this is the XO blade. I think it's the XO blade on there. The Fusion blade, I believe, is what he calls it. Once again, rubber grip on here. We got the TPOB branding with the X right here. The charging port is down here. So all you would do, same thing, is connect the charging cord to right here, and it's gonna charge up. But let's go ahead and see what else comes in this box. Obviously, it does come with a charging stand. So same thing as the trimmer, you can place the clipper inside of the charging dock or charging stand, whatever you want to call it. And then the charging port is down here, so you'll just plug the charging cord into the back, and then it'd be charging your clipper. And then we do get a box of accessories. Let me go ahead and get this out of here. So you do get these guards, and I've used these guards on when I was using the candy edition of the X clipper, and I like the guards. I just didn't want to take them out and have to put them back in, you know what I'm saying? So I just used my Babyliss premium guards, and that's the good thing about these tools, guys. This TPOB X trimmer, or I'm sorry, the TPOB X clipper, you can use, you know, a lot of guards on it. You can use your wall guards, your Babyliss guards, if you want to use the Gamma Dubs guards, if you want to use the guards that it come with, they all fit this clipper, right? And then we also get, I don't even remember what came in here. Oh yeah, and then they do also give you the grips. So if you wanted to use the grip on the clipper and the trimmer, make it a little less slippery, you can use those on there. And then we do get the charging brick and the charging cord, and then we also get a screwdriver. But that's basically what comes in the accessory box. But let me move this out the way real quick and continue to talk about this clipper. All right, guys, so I plugged it in. As you can see, this is the charging cord that it comes with, but I plugged it in just so I can show y'all how it sounds when the clipper is on. So as you can see, as you can hear, it is a nice, quiet hum to it. Sounds really good, and when you're cutting the hair, you can hear the hair being cut. Now, the crunch isn't as loud as the trimmer is, but you can still hear the crunch when you're cutting with this clipper. I did not zero gap this clipper out of the box. I just used it straight the way it came, and I can probably zero gap a little bit if I wanted to be a little more efficient with it and work a little quicker, but you know, I can use almost any clipper out the box, right? So it really wasn't a big issue, but for some people, it may be an issue. You may want to gap your clipper to your liking. Me personally, I'm just gonna use it out the box unless I absolutely need to zero gap it, and I didn't, you know what I'm saying? It really worked well out of the box. Like the way it takes down bulk, like the way it fades. All in all, great tool from my man TPOB.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
And then the trimmer, same thing with the trimmer. I did not zero gap it. I don't even know. It came pretty zero gapped. I don't know if y'all be able to see it on screen, but it came gapped pretty well, lined up well, bought it out well. Didn't have an issue with it snagging or anything like that. So all in all, man, these two tools, they worked really great together. Great combo in my opinion. Now, I don't know the price on these because I went to his website, thepissedoffbarber.com, and the money is like in pounds and it's not in dollars. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what the exact dollar amount is, but I'm gonna see if I can find out before I post this video and post this on the screen for y'all. And once again, that's at thepissedoffbarber.com, and you can use my discount code. I don't even remember what my discount code is, but I will put it on the screen and down in the description. But I'm gonna see if I can find out when these are releasing on Amazon also. That way I can put the link down in the description and in the comments. That way if y'all in the US and y'all wanna purchase these, y'all can purchase them from Amazon, you know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, check it out. Once again, the TPOB X Deluxe Clipper and Trimmer. All in all, great tools. Really enjoyed using them. Check it out one more time. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.